What are the types of investment strategy? The world is soaked into internet technology. It is a source which opens the massive platform for entertainments and for earning money. There are many benefits in buying together with this source. In this technological world, people are urged to do business virtually. Check this one. The motive of occupation, going to the workplace, and doing business is to earn money and profits. The money will satisfy the needs of the family. Earning is important to survive in this modernized world. In these present times, the younger generations are rising to select the business and work for the earning progress. Apart from this, the savings and investment are more important. It leads a person to get benefits in future life. Most people are earning but fail to save and invest in it properly, so they are losing business and profits. This awareness is spread to everyone to take part in the activities of savings. The high net worth investment strategies is different from the other people's investments. The rich people's investment schemes are based on the high level. There they can invest to gain more profits in quick times. What is the most popular investment strategy? People wish to invest in stable and solid stuff. The gold bars, jewelry, land, real estate, company shares, and dividend payout. These are the things which give them more profits in future. The investment and the sharing are always based on the futuristic better lives. So the people are choosing the valued one for this activity. These are all the most popular investments for the high net worth investment strategies. It will suit the rich peoples, and they can have in this sorts of investment strategies. There is another thing called movable and immovable assets. People will make investments in that too, which is based on the wish of the investors. There are differences in both, each has benefits for the investors. The movable things include the computer, jewelry, vehicles, and stocks. If people choose this side, they can get profit while the price rises. The gold and gold bars investments are worth it at any time. It is because its rate will be increased often, so the investors can sell this to the pawnbrokers to earn more real profits from the invested stuff. Compared with selling to the market shops, it is easy to go with the pawnbrokers who provide good cash. Then, apart from that, if investors grab the hands of the wealth management service, the service will provide better advice. The reason to call them is they are filled with field knowledge and experience in handling this stuff. If an investor gets their help, their investment progress is benefited. Through their advice and the best investment areas, investors will gain more profits in future times. The management will give suggestions based on the investor's income source, salary, profits, abuse, etc. A person who is earning a good income is suitable to meet these servicers to get better lives. What is the most brilliant investment strategy? In the current days, peoples are interested in internet-based things for all matters. It is essential to gain internet technology knowledge to survive in this digitalized world. Online games are one of the high net worth investment strategies. It may give you shock about how it is safe for investment strategies, but the current generations are using these platforms and earning double incomes within short periods. Internet is a platform that draws the space to earn money. It is most useful for the younger commodity peoples. It is said as a most brilliant investment in the present day. Online games like casinos, Poker 88, slots, fishing games, and other gambling sites are available online. Through these sites, people can play any game and can earn bulk money instantly. Here, the cash is bulk, which will be betted by all the involved players in the match, and whoever wins can earn the entire fistfuls of cash, so those people can save or else invest in cryptocurrencies. The saving will help them for the instinct and emergency uses, and the investment will also help emergencies, but more beneficial in the future lives. Many cryptocurrency sites are present, suitable for all people, but upper-class people still use them. They are earning a lot of money per month or a year to invest for future purposes, whereas other ordinary peoples can be involved, but without bulk, the amount is not possible. But people can choose this option to get popular and rich in quick times. It is 100% safe to make an investment and get double benefited. How do I invest like a pro? It is easy to invest like a pro in this digitalized world. In the olden days, it was a risk, and everything was simple to handle through the internet facility. The progress of savings and investment are the two things which are most important in everybody's life. It only can make a person's life happy, peaceful, and safe throughout life. Most people fail to do this progression, so they are struggling and suffering in debts and loans. However, through the substantial assistance of wealth management, there will be no worries hereafter, because they will help and guide with excellent suitable advice to all the clients. It will make the clients set free from the stress and tension with the proper plans to do high net worth investment strategies. The clients can trust them for better upcoming lives. It will give respect to all the customers equally, and handle the small and massive profits or income of the client's net worth in the proper way of the investment platforms. Anybody can get their help and contact for the service. The pro-investment will be set a person free and make peace. It is also the same which insists more about the valuable and worthy investment in stocks and company shares. The stocks are movable assets, but it holds high superiority over other stuff. So it gains more majority areas of investors. Every people wish to choose the worthy one to get benefits. This investment in saving